What dogs do when people aren't looking?
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do. I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, it's just a baby.
Quiet speak. Quiet speak. Good girl. Quiet speak.
Papà l'americano.
And she's just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kid.
Let go of mom's hair. Let go of mom's hair. Ow! Niner, let go. Niner.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Me baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
You're my baby?
Yes.
My mom does not love me anymore. She said I have to find a new home.
Maven, I did not say that. I said you couldn't have second breakfast.
I'm sleeping, don't bother me. I said don't. You're bugging me, you're bugging me. You're gonna pay for this when you're asleep. Get that camera out of my face.
I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm high on crack.
Did you bring me a blanket? Thank you. Thank you.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba.
Tell me your dog is spoiled without telling me your dog is spoiled.
Oh, sad.
Or, hear me out, you go f yourself, and I keep doing what I'm doing.
It's me. Hi, I'm your bestie. It's me.
If a stranger came up to you and said, I'm your mom's friend and she sent me to pick you up, what would you say?
tired because my mom doesn't have any friends.
Do you think we can make it the whole day without you doing something bad? Did you already do something bad?